multiplying both side each other, then we have x plus iota y, x minus iota y equal to a plus iota b, c plus iota d into a minus iota b upon में c minus iota d. Okay students, then we have a square minus iota square b square, c square minus iota square d square. Then we have this. Okay students, here left hand side x square minus iota square y square equal to this. Then iota square equal to minus 1. Iota square equal to minus 1. Therefore students, we have x square plus y square, x square plus का y square equal to a square plus b square, c square plus d square square root. Squaring both sides, then we have x square plus y square whole square equal to a square plus b square, c square plus का d square. That is your answer. Okay students, again I repeat you, x plus iota y equal to this, a plus iota b, c plus iota d. Then prove that x square plus y square का whole square equal to a square plus b square and c square plus d square. Solution x plus iota y this. Then taking conjugate both sides, then we have iota minus iota, x minus iota y, that is this, and multiply first and second. Then we have x plus iota y into x minus iota y equal to a plus iota b upon में c plus iota d into a minus iota b upon में c minus iota d, where x square minus iota square y square and equal to this, where iota square that is minus 1. Therefore x square plus y square this. Squaring both sides, then we have x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square upon में c square plus d square. Take more some examples. Okay students, write down. Take more some examples. Example second, evaluate. Evaluate iota 18 plus iota. Okay students, iota 18 plus 1 upon iota 25, 1 upon iota 25 whole की power 3. Okay students, we have given this. Solution iota 18 plus 1 upon iota 25 whole power 3. Okay students, first we have iota 18, break of iota 18, iota 4 into 4 into iota square. Okay students, 4 4 जा 16 और plus 2 18. Okay students, plus 1 upon iota 25, that is iota 4 6 into iota, that is 25 into 3. Okay students, then we have iota 4 means 1, that is minus 1 plus 1 upon iota power 3. Okay students, because iota 4 equal to 1 and iota square equal to minus 1. Okay students, we already discussed about the iota 4, that is 1, and iota square equal to minus 1. Then we have minus 1 plus rationalizing of this iota upon में iota square 3, that is minus 1 minus iota के whole power 3. Then we have minus 1 plus iota 3, that is 1 plus iota 3 plus 3 iota plus 3 iota square. Then we have minus 1 minus iota plus 3 iota minus 3. Then we have minus 2 iota minus 2. Then we have 1 2 into 1 minus iota. Okay student, that is your answer. That is your answer, right in the complex form. Okay students, next take more examples. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find theta. Find theta. Find theta such that 3 plus 2i sin theta, 3 plus 2i sin theta upon में 3 minus 2i sin theta, 3 minus 2i sin theta is purely imaginary, Okay students, find theta such that 3 plus 2i sin theta upon में 3 minus 2i sin theta is purely imaginary. Okay students, first solution, 3 plus 2i sin theta upon में 3 minus 2i sin theta. First we rationalizing of this, 3 plus 2i sin theta upon में 3 plus 2i sin theta. Okay students, then we have 3 plus 2i sin theta a whole square upon में 9 plus 4 sin square theta. Okay students, then we have 9 minus 4 sin square theta plus 12i sin theta upon में 9 plus 4 sin square theta. Okay students, that is 9 minus 4 sin square theta plus 12i sin theta, 9 plus 4 sin square theta. Okay students, then real part will be 9 minus 4 sin square theta upon 9 plus 4 sin square theta plus 12i sin theta upon में 9 plus 4 sin square theta. Purely imaginary roots means the real parts will be 0. Okay students, the purely imaginary will be, then real parts of complex number will be 0. Okay students, then we have real part 9 minus 4 sin square theta upon में 9 plus 4 sin square theta equal to 0. Then we have 9 minus 4 sin square theta equal to 0. Then 4 sin square theta equal to 9 and sin square theta equal to 9 by 4, sin theta equal to 3 by 2. Okay students, then theta equal to sin inverse 3 by 2. That is your answer. Okay students, these next examples based on complex numbers. Then we have more example based on complex numbers. Example 3. if a plus iota b equal to x plus iota का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन में 2x square plus 1 2x square plus 1, then prove that x square plus 1, okay students, then prove that a square plus b square equal to x square plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन में 2x square plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर. Okay students, then prove that of this. We have given a plus iota b x plus iota whole square upon 2x square plus 1 and a square plus b square, then x square plus 1 का whole square upon 2x square plus 1 का whole square. Okay students, then solution will be a plus iota b equal to x plus iota whole square upon में 2x square plus 1 then taking conjugate of this is the first equation, taking conjugate both sides, then we have a minus iota b equal to x minus iota whole square upon में 2x square plus 1. Okay student, that is the equation second. Then equation second, then multiply both side each other, then we have a plus iota b into a minus iota b equal to x plus iota का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन में 2x square plus 1 into x minus iota का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन में 2x square plus 1. Okay students, then we have a square plus b square equal to x square plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन में 2x square plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर. That is your answer. Okay students, I repeat it again. A plus ib equal to iota b equal to x plus iota a whole square upon 2x square plus 1. Then prove that a square plus b square equal to this. Okay students, first we have a plus b equal to x plus iota a whole square upon 2x square plus 1. That is the equation first. Okay students, then a minus iota b x minus iota का whole square upon 2x square plus 1, that is the equation second. Multiply equation first and second both side each other, then we have a square plus b square equal to x square plus 1 and 2x square plus 1. Okay students, and take some more examples to find based on the complex number, that is if alpha and beta. Okay students, take some example more based on complex number. Question: if alpha and beta, if alpha and beta are different complex number with complex number, okay student, with magnitudes of beta equal to 1, then to find 1 minus alpha, then find the value of beta minus alpha, 1 minus alpha bar beta. Find the value of this. Okay students, solution, we have given that magnitude of beta equal to 1. So therefore so students, we take first beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha beta का whole square equal to beta minus alpha, we have beta minus alpha upon में 1 minus alpha bar beta और into conjugate of this beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha beta conjugate, because we have already discussed about the property of this z conjugate of z square equal to z into z bar. Okay students, I already discussed about this property. Then we have beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha bar beta into beta bar minus alpha 1 minus alpha beta bar. Okay students, then we have beta bar minus beta alpha bar minus alpha beta bar plus alpha bar upon में 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta plus alpha bar beta bar. Okay students, then we have magnitudes of beta bar, that is 1, therefore alpha bar also 1. Okay students, then we have 1 minus beta alpha bar minus alpha beta bar plus 1 upon में 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta plus 1. Then we have cancelled of this, that is 1. Okay students, therefore beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha beta whole square, that is 1. Therefore beta minus alpha upon में 1 minus alpha beta equal to 1. Okay students, that is the complex form based on the complex number. Then more examples based on the complex number. That is first example more. Students, cube roots of unity based on the complex number. Cube roots of unity, that is omega 1 plus omega square equal to 0. That is cube roots of unity. That is the cube roots of unity. Okay students, where omega cube equal to 1. Okay students, then based on the omegas, we also discuss the more examples. Question number first, take question number first. A plus prove that A plus B omega plus C omega square upon में A plus B omega plus C omega square upon में C plus A omega plus B omega square okay students, equal to B omega square equal to omega square. Okay students, A plus B omega plus C omega square upon में C plus A omega plus B omega square equal to omega square. Then prove that. So students, solution: A plus B omega plus C omega square upon में C plus A omega plus B omega square. Okay students, first omega square multiply and divide numerator and denominator by omega square. Okay students, then omega square as it is a plus b omega plus c omega square upon b. C omega square plus a omega cube plus b omega 4. We have omega 3 equal to 1. Okay students, I discussed already omega 3 equal to 1. So students, omega square a plus b omega plus c omega square upon b. C omega square plus a plus b omega. Then will be cancelled and therefore that is your answer, omega square. Okay students, take some more examples based on the cube of unity. Then we have example second. Example second, prove that 1 minus omega plus omega square whole 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole 5 equal to 32. Okay students, we are given that 1 minus omega plus, we are given that students 1 minus omega plus omega square whole 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole 5 equal to 32. Okay students, then we have solution. We have 1 minus omega plus omega square 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square 5, then 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Okay students, then 1 plus omega square, see the 1 plus omega square, that is minus omega. 1 plus omega square, that is minus omega. So students, put here 1 minus omega whole power 5 plus 1 plus omega, that is minus omega square whole power 5. Okay students, minus 2 omega 5 plus minus 2 omega square whole power 5. Okay students, then minus 2 5 omega 5 plus minus 2 5 omega 5 square 5. Okay students, then we have minus 32 omega square plus omega 10. Okay students, then we have minus 32 omega square plus omega. Why? Because 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega 3 equal to 1. Okay students, this. Therefore, minus 32 into minus 1, 32 your answer. Okay students, again I discuss again. Prove that 1 minus omega square whole power 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square raised to power 5 equal to 32. Okay students, then we have 1 minus omega square 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square 5, where 1 plus omega square, that is minus omega, then we put minus omega, and 1 plus omega, that is minus omega square, then we put minus omega square. Okay students, then minus 2 omega 5 into plus minus 2 omega 5. Okay students, then we have minus 2 raised to power 5, that is minus 32, and omega square plus omega, because omega 3 equal to 1, then omega 9 is also 1. Then we have minus 32 into minus 1, that is 32. Okay students, then take some more examples based on cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. Okay students, example next, based on cube roots of unity. Prove that, okay students, prove that 3 plus 3 omega, 3 plus 3 omega, 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square, 5 omega square, okay students, raised to power 6, raised to power 6 minus 2 plus 6 omega, 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square plus 2 omega square का raised to power 2 equal to 0, raised to power 3 equal to 0. Okay students, we have given that 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square plus minus 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square raised to power 3 equal to 0. Then solution. So students, we have 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square minus 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square raised to power 3. Okay students, then we have 3 1 plus omega plus 5 omega square raised to power 6 minus 2 1 plus omega square plus 6 omega raised to power 3. Okay students, then we have 3 into minus omega square plus 5 omega square raised to power 6 minus 2 into minus omega plus 6 omega whole power 3. Okay students, then we have minus 3 omega square plus 5 omega square raised to power 6 minus 2 omega plus 6 omega raised to power 3. Okay students, then we have 2 omega square raised to power 6 minus 4 omega raised to power 3. Then we have 2 6 omega 12 minus 2 6 omega 3. Then we have 2 ki 6 into 1 minus 2 ki 6 into 1 because omega 3 equal to 1. Okay students, because omega 2 equal to 1, then we have 0. Okay students, these are based on the cube roots of unity. We discuss in the complex numbers, we discuss the above conjugate first, conjugate of z, secondly multiple inverse, model of z's, arguments of theta, polar form and cube roots of unity, and De Moivre's theorem. Okay students, De Moivre's theorem, I tell you De Moivre's theorem, then cos theta plus I sin theta ki raised to power n, then cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Then based on the De Moivre's theorem, we take some example. Based on De Moivre's theorem. Okay students, then question number first, based on De Moivre's theorem, prove that 1 plus iota ki raised to power n, 1 plus iota ki raised to power n plus 1 minus iota ki raised to power n equal to 2 ki n plus 1 cos n theta by 2, 2 ki n by 2 plus 1 cos n pi by 2. Okay students, prove that 1 plus iota ki n plus 1 minus iota ki n equal to 2 ki n by 2 plus 1 cos n pi by 4. Okay students, this is based on the De Moivre's theorems. We discuss about the De Moivre's theorem. 1 plus iota ki n, 1 minus iota ki n equal to 2 ki n plus n by 2 plus 1 cos n pi by 4. Okay students, first we take to that solution में take 1 plus I, let r cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay students, first we find r. First we find r, that is r equal to 1 plus 1 root 2. Okay students, r means modulus of z, that is 1 plus 1 root 2. Okay students, then find theta. Then tan alpha equal to 1 upon 1, that is 1. Then tan alpha equal to tan pi by 4. Then alpha equal to pi by 4. Okay students, both are positive, then lies in the first quadrant. I discussed already, the lies in first quadrant. Therefore theta equal to pi by 4. Okay students, the polar form, therefore we have 1 plus I power n equal to r this root 2 cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 e raised to power n. Okay students, similarly we have 1 minus I to the power n equal to root 2 cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4 e raised to power n. Okay students, therefore 1 plus I to the power n plus 1 minus I to the power n equal to root 2 means 2 की n by 2 cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4 plus 2 की raised to power n by 2 into cos n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4. Okay students, then we have take the common 2 की n by 2 cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4 plus cos n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4. Okay students, then we have 2 की n by 2 cos n pi by 4, then we have 2 की n by 2 plus 1 cos n pi by 4. That is your answer, the based on De Mor's theorem. Okay students, then based on De Mor's theorems, we take more example to find the next example. To find the cube roots of I. Example second, find cube roots of I. Okay students, this based on De Mor's theorem. Okay students, that means iota 1 by 3. Okay student, first iota means cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2, that is iota. Okay students, we have if 1, then cos 0, take cos 0 plus I sin 0, that is 1. If we have given iota, then cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2, that is iota. If we have given minus iota, then take minus pi by 2 plus I sin minus pi by 2 equal to minus iota. And we take minus 1, then cos pi plus I sin pi. These are 4 types of point 1, iota, minus iota and plus iota. Okay students, so we have given the iota, therefore cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2, and we find the I 1 by 3 cube roots of iota, that is cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 cube roots of this. Okay friends, first we add the cos general formula 2k pi plus pi by 2 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay students, then we have cos pi into 4k plus 1 upon with 6 plus I sin pi 4k plus 1 upon 6. Okay students, where k equal to, we are given cube roots of unity, then take 0, 1, 2. Okay students, 0, 1 and 2. Then put k equal to 0, then cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. Second, take 1, then cos 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6. Okay students, third, k equal to 2, then cos 9 pi by 6 plus I sin 9 pi by 6. Okay students, then pi by 6 cos pi by 6, cos pi by 6 means cos 30, that is root 3 by 2 plus I 1 by 2. This is the first root. Then second, cos pi minus pi by 6 plus I sin pi minus pi by 6. And next, cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. Okay students, then we have root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 and cos, this is the second quadrant, minus cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. Okay student, this is the second quadrant. This is pi minus pi by 6, this is the second quadrant. Therefore, minus the cos pi by 6 plus the I sin pi by 6. After school, to college. Okay students, all means all trigonometric function positive, S means sine and cosec will be positive, and T means tan and cot will be positive, and C means cos and sec will be positive of the fourth quadrant. Therefore, this next, cos 3 pi plus pi by 2 plus I sin pi plus pi by 2. Okay students, then we have root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus I 1 by 2 and cos, that is the third quadrant, that is the third quadrant. Okay students, then minus cos pi by 2 plus I sin minus I sin pi by 2. Then we have root 3 by 2 plus iota by 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus iota by 2 and minus 0 minus iota. Okay students, these are the roots of cube roots of iota. Okay students, thanks. Next we see the next videos. Okay students, thank you from my sides. Okay students.